Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best deer feeder is probably one of the most effective ways to attract deer to your hunting spot, providing a consistent food source that encourages them to return, increasing your chances of a successful hunt. This video will cover the key features to look for when choosing a deer feeder with a timer and motor, helping you make an informed decision and maximize your hunting success. Number 5. Moultrie All-in-One Feeder Timer. This innovative timer makes feeding your deer a breeze. It's easy to program and mount, ensuring precise feeding times. You can customize it to dispense feed up to 4 times a day. Each feeding lasts between 1 and 20 seconds. It features an adjustable mount and a durable design, ensuring it can be attached to any size bucket and withstand various weather conditions. A test button simplifies setup, and a flip-down timer makes programming a snap. It also has an external power port and solar panel connectors for flexible power options. With its simple design and versatile features, it takes the hassle out of feeding your deer. Enjoy precise, reliable feeding every time. This timer is built to last and is incredibly easy to install on any size bucket. Simply attach it and program your feeding schedule. What we like. It has a digital timer that you can program up to 4 feed times per day. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to the test button. If you need a feeder with an adjustable mount to fit various bucket sizes, this is a great option for you. What people say. Throws the corn and pellets nearly 20 feet in all directions. Easy setup, batteries last 6 months if feeding once a day. Motor spins hard and fast and the feed is spread very well. Running on 4 AA batteries is a nice savings as well. Number 4. Moultrie Deer Feeder. This innovative feeder is designed for both professional and casual use. It's built to last and is surprisingly affordable. It holds a massive 30 gallons of feed, ensuring you can keep those deer happy for longer. That's enough to feed a whole herd. Refilling is a breeze with the quick lock hopper system. Simply unlock, refill, and lock it back in place. Program it to dispense feed at specific times, giving you complete control over your feeding schedule. It's easy to set and use. With a 200 pounds capacity, it can handle even the largest feed loads. You won't have to refill it nearly as often. It's built from tough polymer, meaning it's resistant to the elements and built to withstand the test of time. It's designed to last for years. The metal spin plate ensures even feed distribution, preventing waste and ensuring all the deer get their fair share. No more wasted feed. This feeder has been rigorously tested by hunters in the field. It's proven to be reliable and effective. Get top performance without breaking the bank. It's the perfect combination of quality and affordability. What we like. This feeder is top performing and budget friendly. It's built to last with a durable polymer build and has a large capacity to hold lots of feed. If you are looking for a reliable and affordable option, this is the one for you. What people say. I bought this when I moved in 3 years ago to keep the deer entertained away from my bird feeders. It also works well to keep them in a huntable area of the property. I've changed the battery once in that time frame. I feed twice a day, so I think the battery life has been excellent. The unit was very easy to assemble, had no missing parts, and it looks good even right next to the house. The feeder is a great size and you can adjust the height of the legs as desired. It is very windy where we live and the unit didn't tip over. It operates off of AA batteries and is extremely easy to program. I bought the basic version a few months ago. It was easy to set up and has held up well in wind and rainstorms. Deer feed on a schedule related to sunrise-sunset, but this timer is static, so you may want to adjust several times a year. Number 3. Moultrie Pro Hunter II. Get ready to revolutionize your hunting game with the Moultrie Pro Hunter II. It's designed for ease of use and reliable performance, no matter the weather. This upgraded timer lets you schedule up to 10 feedings daily, customizing the duration and days of the week. You can even adjust the spin cast speed for optimal dispensing. It features a quick lock adapter for easy attachment to Moultrie hoppers and most standard barrels. Setup is a breeze. It's built to withstand the elements. The weather-resistant housing and integrated varmint guard protect your feed from pests and harsh conditions. Power it with a 6V battery or use the external port with a Moultrie solar panel for extended use and minimal maintenance. It also has an external port for accessories. Expand its capabilities with additional accessories. The external power port is ready for Moultrie's feeder power panel and more. The Moultrie Pro Hunter II kit provides everything you need for effortless feeding, ensuring animals are fed consistently and efficiently. What we like. It boasts an upgraded programmable timer, allowing for precise scheduling of up to 10 feed times per day. The quick lock adapter system makes installation a snap. If you value a robust and versatile feeder with a highly customizable timer, this is perfect for you. What people say. I use several of these feeders. Easy to program, built well, and the battery lasts forever. Holding up well as I've used this model for 2 years. This 6-volt feeder motor is much better than the original AA battery version. It is much sturdier and has a critter guard that protects against raccoon damage. Number 2. Boss Buck Game Feeder Kit. Effortlessly upgrade your hunting game with this innovative kit. It transforms your existing feeder into an automatic system, attracting wildlife with ease. This kit is designed for simple installation and operation. Enjoy the convenience of a set-and-forget timer, giving you complete control over feeding schedules. It features a robust 12-volt motor and a heavy-duty slinger, ensuring reliable performance. The durable steel construction withstands harsh outdoor elements. It seamlessly integrates with various Boss Buck feeders, offering exceptional versatility. Adapt it to your existing setup for optimal functionality. The clever design allows for easy solar panel positioning, even after the feeder is full. Maximize its efficiency and minimize your effort. The powder-coated steel control box and mounting plate are built to withstand the toughest outdoor conditions. It's an investment that keeps on giving. Transform your gravity feeder into an automatic corn dispenser with this simple conversion kit. It's the perfect upgrade for any hunter. It measures 12.20 inches long, 15.40 inches wide, and 8 inches tall, ensuring a perfect fit for most setups. What we like. This conversion kit is compatible with various Boss Buck feeders, offering great versatility. Its steel construction ensures durability. If you already own a Boss Buck feeder and want to upgrade to an automatic system, this kit is your best bet. What people say. 3 different speeds and 6 different feed schedules. The feeder is all metal and is very easy to work. Very good quality and well made. These units are super heavy duty with large 12-volt automotive motors. The timers so far have proved to be reliable in the Canadian winter. Number 1. Moultrie All-in-One Deer Feeder. This innovative feeder makes feeding deer easier than ever. Its unique design and features ensure efficient and reliable feeding. It features a durable metal spin plate that resists wind, keeping the feed where it belongs. This ensures consistent feeding, even in windy conditions. The large 5-gallon collapsible bucket holds plenty of feed. It's also easy to transport and store when empty. Filling it is a breeze thanks to the convenient built-in funnel. This eliminates spills and makes refills quick and clean. You're in control with customizable run times. This allows you to precisely schedule feedings to suit your needs. It's designed for simple installation and use. Spend less time setting up and more time enjoying watching the wildlife. What we like. It features a wind-resistant spin plate to prevent feed scattering. The collapsible bucket is convenient for storage and transport. If you are looking for a compact and portable feeder with a built-in funnel, this is a great choice. What people say. Super easy to set up, built well, looks good, easy for one person to handle. It holds 5 gallons of corn and the lid goes on tight. The timer has 4 settings. You have the option of up to 6 seconds. It works great, and now the raccoons aren't eating 20 pounds of cat food a day. I have it set to feed at 7 a.m. and 3 p.m. at 4 seconds. It puts out plenty and yes, still cat food left for the raccoons. Really good little feeder and holds a good bit of corn. Set at 10 seconds dispense time once a day. Corn lasts well over a week when filled to the top. Same alkaline batteries for several months and still going strong. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.